Welcome to Picking Principles. It's an exciting day here at Picking Principles. It's the first time I've ever picked a commercial lock. I found this old doorknob that I replaced off of a door in my house a while back. And so I took some time, quite a bit of time actually, to figure out how to open it up, and I removed the core. And so today I'm going to pick it. It's got a very wide keyway, and so my tensioning tools are too small to fit in there and tension properly. So I'm going to use this long insert, put it in, and this is also the first lock I've ever had to tension counterclockwise. So using my regular pick, one is loose, a little bit out of two I think, nothing out of three, a small click out of four, big click out of five. Let's go back to one. One's binding. There we go. Oh, I thought we had it there. One's loose. Two's loose. Three's loose. There we go. Got it. Okay, so let's lock it up and get the key in there so we can take it apart. Remove the clip. Okay, so I put the follower through like this. Oh, follower's too small, too big. Let me try the acrylic one. There we go. And hold on to my key pins. There we go. I'm going to dump the key pins down here. One. Two. Lock's kind of dirty. Oh, two's long. There's three. Ooh, another long key pin. Five came out, four stuck. There we go. And let's get the driver pins now. Two, three, four, and five. Everything's standard. Let's zoom in and take a look after I arrange these. And we'll put the key up there as well. All standard pins. 2 and 3 are very long. 1 and 5 are very short. And I guess that makes sense when we look at the key. All right, well, thank you for watching. It's very exciting. Please subscribe if you like what you saw. Leave some comments and have a great day.